there are two gang members. But that's when he walks past him.
Yeah, that's when they first encounter him when he goes to the shop and because they're already inside it.
Good, so we couldn't even get a shot by looking at.
No, you know with Taylor? Or is it just Taylor doing it?
Taylor and someone else to.
For you, the extra road man.
I was starting, but now I'm the director because I'm on. I live in the area of it. I say I live in the area of it. I live. Action.
Well, we could just do it up to like here, where he isn't seen.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, that's after. He's going to cut it.
Jordan, I think.
No,
19, 20?
your dad's you have to stop it.
So today we made a short movie slash film on about knife crime and how it could affect the youth. And in hour one today we done it using a main character going by the name of Jamie. He was basically just a normal civilian heading towards going to play football after going to the shop to get some snack for his just before going, and then he encounters two gang members, and as he goes to leave they follow him out, and then they get him in an alleyway and then they question him, and then so one of them doesn't like his response to the questions and he pulls out a knife, and then Jamie pushes him and his arm gets grazed by the knife, and so the gang members run away and Jamie runs off to safety, and yeah, that's about it. So it's like an attempted murder but failed. So.